Hello, I'm Eileen. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for August 2020. The Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box. It's $15 a month and includes 5 or more makeup and skincare items selected by the editors of Allure. It's guaranteed to be at least a $70 value and contain at least 2 full-size items, and the rest are deluxe samples. But starting in October, they are changing the box. They're increasing the price from $15 a month to $23 a month, and you will receive at least 6 products with a value of $100 or more, and 3 or more of the products will be full-size. For those who are currently subscribed or who subscribed through September, at the current $15 rate, you do have the option to switch to an annual subscription, paying for a full year up front at the current yearly rate of $165, which works out to be $13.75 per box, and you will get that full year with the new larger box. So if you're interested and you've been thinking about it, or you've put it off and you're not quite sure, now's the time to lock in that lower price before it goes up. So let's take a look and see what we got in August. Well, the first thing we see is a little pamphlet telling us what's in the box, and they do tell us what everything is, what the retail values of the full size will be, because again, some of these are going to be deluxe size samples. And instead of giving us information like you would find from Sephora or Ulta website or the brand's website, the editor who chose the product tells you their experience with it. So you do get a little bit of insight into why it was selected, but not necessarily information about the product. So I went ahead and did some digging on the items in this box so that we'll know a little bit more about them. So let's take a look. It is nicely wrapped, little tissue paper. So the first item in the box is the Pixie Rose Oil Blend. This is a Luxe Ultra Nourishing Oil that rejuvenates, restores, and renews skin's luminosity. This botanical blend is infused with a powerful complex of youth-preserving oils to help improve skin's elasticity and glow. And it contains sweet almond, rosehip, jojoba, pomegranate seed, and rose geranium oils for the complexion. It is suitable for all skin types. And this is a 30 milliliter or 1 fluid ounce, which is the full size, and retails for $24. Let's open it up. And the bottle itself is closed, and then they give you the dropper separately, so you can use that when you first start it. It does have a 24-month shelf life, and let's take a quick smell and see what it smells like. Have to remove the stopper. So it is well sealed because there is a stopper in it as well. Did you hear that? Ooh. I happen to like the scent of rose, so I like it. I know some people think rose smells like grandma. Personally, I like it, so I'm very happy with this. And I've heard very good things about Pixie skincare, although I haven't had a chance to try them, so I'm looking forward to trying this one. Okay, our next item is, let's see, we have, this is obviously a deluxe sample. This is the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum, and this is a 0.27 fluid ounce or 8 milliliter size, so it is a deluxe sample. And this is a prep serum designed as the first step post-cleanse to hydrate, nourish, visibly firm, and help boost your next skincare product's absorption. Isn't that cute? The secret is the Juan Balancing Complex, a potent cocktail of 5 Korean herbs that hydrates, nurtures, and visibly firms. And it is a proprietary blend of herbs working to improve your skin's overall texture, tone, and boost moisture. A full size of this product would be 60 milliliters or 2.02 ounces. Retails for $84. That'd be really good. So again, this deluxe sample is 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. So based on that $84 for 60 milliliter price, this sample is valued at about $11.20. Better be good. Good thing to get these deluxe samples. You can try a product like this before you spend $84 on it, only to find out maybe it doesn't work so well for you. So our next item is from Erno Laszlo, and it is the Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. It's a cleansing bar that boosts the uniquely therapeutic benefits of the Dead Sea mud, a mineral-rich miracle of nature, to deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate skin. And they say it is perfect for blemished or stressed out complexions. This bar leaves skin soft, smooth, and radiant. The product is available in 2 sizes on their website, 50 grams or 100 grams. And this is the 50 gram or 1.7 ounce bar, which retails for $23. Our next item is from Floss, and it is the Floss Brighten Up Highlighter in Sunlit. And here's the box. It's a no brush needed highlighter formulated to give you a healthy glow no matter the weather. It's a silky smooth formula that melts into skin and blends seamlessly for an effortless and natural dewy look. Finger makeup makes it easy to apply and touch up on the go. I received the shade Sunlit, which is described as a light champagne with ultra-fine gold pearl. And this is a 4 gram or 0.14 ounce. It does appear to be the full size based on what I've been able to see. The retail value on that is $20. It does have a 12-month shelf life, and in very large letters on the back, it does point out that it is never tested on animals. Item number 4, the Floss Brighten Up Highlighter in Sunlit. And our next item is from H2O Plus, and it is Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. And this is a pink gel cream that glides on easily to help reduce redness and increase hydration. Featuring skin-quenching velvety formula paired with powerful clean ingredients like hyssop and eye bright extracts to soothe and soften sensitive skin. There's the size. And a full size of this product would be a 50 milliliter or 1.7 fluid ounce, retails for $42. This deluxe sample is 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. So based on the full size price of $42 for a full size, the sample is valued about $8.40. Again, great to get these deluxe size samples, particularly on skincare, so that you can try it out more than just the little packets where you can only try it once, but you can try it for a few days, get a feel for whether you think it's going to work for you, or at least so you know that it's not going to break you out or cause irritation on your skin before you go out and spend the full price of those products. Okay, our next one is from Wish, and it is Botanical Primer. And they say if you're suffering from dry skin and huge pores left from drying makeup, this natural botanical primer not only minimizes pores and even skin tone, but also leaves skin feeling moisturized and dewy looking. It contains, I'm going to see if I can say this properly, bakuchiol. Let me know in the comments below if I even got close to that. But it's an edible, 100% natural substitute for retinol. Clinical studies show the same efficacy as retinol without drying, redness, or UV issues. This is Leaping Bunny certified, paraben-free, sulfate-free, DEA and TEA-free, petrochemical-free, phthalate-free, and naturally sourced with organic goodness, made in the USA. A full size of this product would be 60 milliliters or 2 fluid ounces, retails for $44. And this is a deluxe sample, which is 22 milliliters or half a fluid ounce. So based on the full size price of $44 for 2 ounces, this sample is valued at $11. And our 7th item, let's see, is from Looks in May, and it is the Brightening Lift Up Perfect Fit Mask. And this is a brilliant layering system that gives the skin a brighter tone, and a Vita-3 complex of this brightening mask provides the skin with clear, shining moisture. They say that moist, milky essence provides radiance and moisture to dry and dull skin to make skin brighter and hydrated. Adjusts and fits to the face with a smooth texture and an elasticity, which give healthy skin and natural glow. So each mask retails for $3. This is a full size because they are sold individually. They are also sold, I believe, in 10 packs. And I did get one more item since it was my first box. You do get a bonus item, and I received from Mally Beauty the Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. And Mally Beauty is the makeup line founded by celebrity makeup artist Mally Roncal. And the Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra is the queen of multitasking, according to their website. Stay looking fierce from the minute you put them on until you take them off. It is a primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and brush all in one. They do have 8 shades available on the website, and I received the color Autumn Shimmer, which is a lovely bronzy metallic shade. This is full-sized, and it retails for $25. So, let's go back and take a quick look again at the items we received. The Pixie Rose Oil Blend, which I'm very excited about. The Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. Interested to try this out. I'm very glad to have a deluxe sample because I wouldn't want to pay $84 without having tried it first. The Erno Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. I have cleansers that I am very happy with, and since I do not have acne prone skin, thank goodness I'm past that, not wood, I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. We received the Floss Brighten Up Highlighter in Sunlit. I have a number of highlighters, and so I'm going to pass this along to somebody who may be able to appreciate it a little more. Next we have the H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer, and I think I'm going to give this one away as well. I do have several moisturizers that I'm using right now, and I have some backups of items, of deluxe samples of things I'm waiting to try, so I'm going to pass this along. Hopefully someone with sensitive skin will find it very useful. The Wish Botanical Primer with bakuchiol is, it's an interesting product. I love the fact that it's organic, but I do have a number of primers, so I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway as well. No, I'm going to put it in a giveaway. I have several. I'm going to give it away. And then we have the Looks in May Brightening Lift Up Perfect Fit Mask. This I will give away. I'm not a fan of sheet masks. I know that other people really enjoy them, but I just don't. I think it's the claustrophobia. I don't know. I don't like having anything on my face that long. I'm fine with the skin masks that you rub all over your face and then wait 10 minutes and wash it off, but these sheet masks, just not for me. And last but not least, our bonus item, the Mally Evercover Shadow Stick Extra in Autumn Shimmer. I'm going to give this away as well. So, all in all, we received a total retail value of just the regular items without the bonus extra Everclear Shadow Stick was $100.60. With that bonus eyeshadow stick, it came to $125.60 for $15. Total value that I'm keeping, that's $35.20. I'm still okay with that for $15, and we have plenty of items now to put in our next giveaway. So let me know what you thought of the box. Have you thought about subscribing to Allure? And what do you think about this price change? I was a little upset that this happened just a couple of weeks after I subscribed. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do. I may wait and see what September's box looks like before I make a final decision, because we do have till the end of September to make that decision. So let me know your thoughts down below. And while you're down there, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really does help. And please, if you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing so you can come and hang out with me some more, and we'll talk about some makeup and some lifestyle and just life in general at some point. And that's it. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.